This is Siren, my new sculpture. She's made entirely from wood, found wood in Sussex, and she's a monumental piece, coming in at I think 3 meters high and about 4.5 meter wingspan. I'll just go around the back. And beyond the sculpture, we have some photography. This is a new work in progress. I'm calling it Painted Ladies. I'm teaching myself how to paint photographs using transparent oil. So they're a disparate group of imagery, but when sometimes I'm thinking about making them look real, and other times I'm being sort of more playful. And then this is Taishu Engeki, Theatre of the Masses. This is an ancient Japanese art form, sort of 5-hour of crazy skits, end of the pier show, vaudeville. These are all men dressed as women, and I got to spend a day behind the scenes in the theatre just outside Tokyo. And then finally swinging round. Sorry if I'm making you seasick. This piece of work is called Testimony. Here are 3 survivors of the brutal Khmer Rouge torture chambers out in Phnom Penh in Cambodia, where I had the privilege of interviewing these 3 gents and hearing their stories. Yes, it's very hard-hitting. I felt their stories deserved to be told, so I included them in the exhibition. And then finally, some of my books. I usually make a book at the end of a project. It's a sort of, I suppose it was a method of closure for myself. Well, you can see there are books. And then finally, not part of the exhibition, but still a lovely view framed by this arched door. Everything looking at its absolute best at this delicious time of year. Thank you for viewing.